unraveling the mystery of bug bombs. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the world of phrases and idioms to uncover the meaning behind the term bug bombs. If you've ever been puzzled by this term, stick around as we break it down for you. Firstly, let's tackle the word bug. In English, a bug is another word for an insect or a small creature. Think of creatures like ants, mosquitoes, or spiders. They're tiny, often annoying, and can sometimes invade our living spaces. Now, let's move on to the word bomb. In this context, it doesn't mean an explosive device. Instead, it refers to a device or canister that releases a substance. So, when combined with bug, it gives us a hint about the purpose of this item. A bug bomb, also known as a fogger, is a product used to fumigate an area. It's a canister that, when activated, releases a fog of pesticide. This pesticide kills bugs in the surrounding area. People use bug bombs when they have an infestation in their homes, like fleas or cockroaches, and they want to get rid of them. It's called a bomb because of the way it releases the pesticide all at once, much like an explosion. It's essential to mention that if you ever need to use a bug bomb, always follow the instructions carefully. These products contain chemicals that can be harmful to humans and pets if misused. Ensure proper ventilation, and never stay in the area that's being treated. And there you have it. The term bug bomb isn't as mysterious as it might seem at first. It's simply a tool people use to get rid of unwanted pests. We hope this video has shed some light on this phrase for you. Thanks for tuning in, and always keep learning and exploring the intricacies of the English language.